Just add the eggs to the potatoes and the result will be incredible. Add a dish already lined with aluminum foil and I'll be adding my potatoes. Then I'll drizzle the oil generously over all the potatoes, on top of all the potatoes. Now I'm going to take the ends and leave them in place. And I'm going to put them in and close them up, right? Now I'm going to put them in the oven for 35 minutes and I'll be back to continue. Okay, my frying pan, I'll start by melting a spoonful of butter and adding a generous drizzle of olive oil. And I'll add 2 finely chopped onions, 2 medium onions, okay? I'll add a little bit of salt that will work. And I'll be salting my onions well. Look, I've salted our onions well and now I'm going to open up. Right? I'm going to use 200 grams of finely chopped ham. And I'm also going to use chopped green spices, which is to taste, okay? I love it. Okay, look at that. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and set it aside. And look, people, the estimated time in the oven has passed. Look, I'm just going to show you. You can feel that it's already good, right? Now I'm going to take it out and put it on my board. And I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to cut it on top. And now I'll come with a spoon. And we're going to take this part out, making the place for filling. Look. Ready, everyone? I've done it. The whole process on my potatoes. Now I come to the filling we made. Look. Look, I'll put it inside, giving a little squeeze. I'm not going to fill it up too much, right? Because there's still one more ingredient for us to fill it with. Okay, I've only got the yolk. Look. I've separated the yolk and I'll be putting our potatoes. Now it's time for the cheese. I'm going to stuff them well with cheese. There you go. Now I'm going to take my potatoes and bring them to my platter. Okay, I'll put them all in. Nice and easy, people. I'll put them in the oven for 30 minutes until the yolks is cooked and the cheese is melted. And look, people, our potatoes are ready and look how beautiful they turn out. They've already started to brown. So we can taste it and I can show you what it looks like inside. Look how beautiful they are. I'm going to put it on my plate. I'll cut it in half so you can see. Check it out. Look how beautiful it turned out. Wonderful, right?